Senator Flynn.
Thank you, Laska Herlock. Many senators may not be aware that over 1,275 students are not required to go to school. In 2025, Ireland, Anne-Marie Delaney, a journalist that's working with the journal Investigates, has published a very concerning report where many students, over 1,000 students, 1,275 students are on a reduced timetable. These children are not expected to go to school, and it's unfortunate, Leader, that these children are children who has autism, children from the traveller community, and Roma children. I would urge senators to read the report by Anne-Marie Delaney, which is very concerning. One young person quoted in the report says, "School makes me feel slow." You have Anne Bork from Cork, a traveller education unit, who goes on to talk about how these children are excluded from school, in my opinion, and Anne's and other activists that's in the article would say because of behaviour. And Adam Harris would quote in the article that the schools are not able to meet the needs of autistic children. Leader, this is a serious discussion that we need to be having in this country around children who are already disadvantaged, even being more excluded from our education system. This should not happen under our watch, definitely not under my watch as a legislator and somebody who wants to do better for all children in this country. So this is concerning for us all. So I want to raise that, and I will put in a commencement matter, Leader, but I also think it's a discussion we all need to have. This is inequality for these children, and it's a proper scandal in 10, 20 years down the line. I think we look back and say how much we failed over 1,000 children.